show more about too much G8. Most of the more services come my page. We need to man say na apple biasana unsa everything ya comedian CK with training news, spiritual programs and political issues na me bro. Ebusia amanya ba me sa kan dey eya ho sami pa say ya papa awoda the Spring of Grace Executive Fellowship ano. Prophet Elisha Osei Kofi and what's on the moon do. As a matter of fact, with the information now circulating no training phone near dawa. Oh, say the year kai and then phone in say because Oluku very young and very energetic, but opinion the free super trap by Yahoo memu. Ama bayere amba kesiye information is can say oh yeah I can create you because Prophet Osei Kofi Elisha one very good friend of mine. I mean I got a couple of interviews from time I was at it now sorry dan Ebony Road or Big Farm Road so me I got a couple of interviews now a very nice person but information means I can who send me me GD couple say me one or two course me confirmation he say yare kakra and the ball and a nam soma and Yankasa Yabra Penny, Yasobo Penny, Yabapa, Prophet Elisha, Osei Kofi, what one animal, and is here.
Choose a name apart from your name.
Asantwa.
Asantwa is a nice name. Asantwa Mawakwaba.
Thank you.
Asantwa comes secret chain. Mede mensatuma no biante.
Me was your friend Asantwa. Me was 25 years. Me was level 200. Na me gaining admission Eco University odo. My sister Nene Kun suggested say, member to no munche because the house was closer from the school. It's just a walking distance. It's member to no munche. It's member to no munche. Na me nim no credit. God is my witness. They treated me well. They treated me with care and love. Almost share me did everything. They took good care of me. Till when one day, my sister then stress in na ye wo I share movie. And now, Okachi Edi Krun say, my birthday here which is a month's time to come. But per se Nikru, and then in ye be out of the sexual life only be da.
Hey, sister no.
Hey, my sister no.
Or say the birthday was coming.
Yes.
And opese Nikru ni ye bibia. Bema ni ye bida. And the jama bema ni remember kwa kusisili no.
Nti bema ni bisa nse na de krobe. Eno ka say opese onu ni Nikru ni oba bi meka no na nko munye TV sam.
She was asking that another woman enjoying her no sister. No, Nikru have threesome. This is not normal. Okay.
And I couldn't be sad and say now. There is some day about soon you been out of Fanaba. And I got so send a call back there. Mrs. Taketwanoa. I am me wo. And Tinoka
your sister was suggesting you in the threesome. Oh, okay.
We all thought it was a joke. We all yet na yesterday and we play around it. And we talk about the threesome, we all laughed.
Okay.
And the birthday the bedroom. Sana June. Yen na ye pie. We went out, we had fun, we took in different types of alcohol. That was my first time I mean no alcohol. Don't be no alcohol or that. The three of us, we got drugged, we got boosted. So main crash stuff yes, we tell me base I don't really know what happened again on the way. But the next morning, I saw myself, my sister, and my sister's husband on the same bed, naked. My sister's husband had sex with me and my sister, and I saw all of us naked on the bed. So, the sorry is no panel, and I'm sneaky out.
You didn't know how you left the maybe where you guys went to have fun, whether club or sport or whatever. You don't know how you got to the house,
because
but the next morning you were drunk.
We were all drunk, but the next morning, my sister and Mr. Nikun, and I were the same bed, so lying down naked. I realized that my sister Nikun, on me and my sister, I have sex, a boom. It's me PF your mood down and me call with that. So after that incident,
the baby gun send one and that one you don't know.
I don't know what happened again because I was totally drunk. The next morning, I found myself and my sister and the husband naked on the same bed. After that incident, there have been tension in the house, and I have not seen my menses for the past 2 months. So I confronted my sister's husband that I haven't seen my period for the past 2 months.
You were certain, say, oh, no, what you've not slept with anybody again. You are sure?
So I confronted him, say, I've not me whom he prayed for the past 2 months. And on Sunday me die, he still
When you told him, say, you've not seen your menses, no, he still slept with you.
He still slept with me.
You allowed him.
I allowed him to sleep with me.
You allowed him.
Yes, please.
Why?
Because, like, he was like, he will be happy if I carry a baby for him, because since he married my sister has not been able to carry a baby for the past.
You are a baby making machine. Is that what you are saying? That you are a baby making machine?
Yes.
That's what you are saying. You are accepting, say you are a baby making machine. But we a baby making machine.
No, because I was pregnant for him at that moment.
So who feel say or sign or that? So a man will be more problem, more mental issues.
It continues.
No, but a man would say most of you more mental issues. You are telling me, say, you are pregnant for your sister's husband, which he has agreed. Right? You confronted him. Did you confront him?
Yes, please.
Say he had sex with
that
you.
I've not seen my bread for the past 2
When
months.
you confronted him, did you ask him, say, did he sleep with you and your sister on that day?
He confirmed that.
He confirmed that?
Yes, please.
So no sister died?
Which my sister is aware.
Oh, so your sister is aware?
Yes.
Did you go to your sister to ask?
Yes, please.
And our sister say, oh, you're aware?
Yes. She felt embarrassed.
Your sister felt embarrassed?
Yes, please.
One kasa. And so there was no yes or no from your sister?
Yes, please.
She was just embarrassed?
She was just quiet and embarrassed. So I confronted my sister about I was 2 months pregnant for him, which he told me, say, I shouldn't touch the baby. Because since he married to my sister, it's been 5 years now. They have not been able to carry a baby. So I should keep the baby. He loves me and he will marry me. As of now, I'm confused and I don't know what to do.
Why? You are in love with him?
Yes, please.
You are in love with your sister's husband?
Yes, please.
Oh, sir. And you're not a fine boy?
Yes, please.
Oh, really? Emma Bianca says, "Yana mutino, munkola brime boho." That's the truth. Honestly, you are going through a lot. You need a psychiatrist, a psychologist. You need counselors. Your sister's husband had sex with you and your sister. One day, threesome. Threesome.
Yes.
You have 4 some also. You have 5 some.
Threesome is what I've experienced before.
Threesome now I experience. And that's also what that.
Yes, no matter, but at the moment I'm sorry in the morning, I realized he has had sex with me and my sister. That morning, the 3 of us were naked.
No pants.
No pants, nothing, totally naked. Which means he had sex with me and my sister at the same time on the same bed.
And I agree. And your sister is quiet about this?
Yes, please. My sister is aware.
And now you are pregnant for your sister's husband. 2 months. Why have you not aborted it?
The man told me I shouldn't touch it because since he married to my sister, they have been looking for a baby and the baby is not coming.
God forgive me. Something who I don't want to hear. Or why was sister in a year and come back away in Chile? Or why was sister in a year and come back away in Chile? Let me just, I think I'm getting too emotional about this. Then the next thing is, why have you not aborted it? Or keep?
No, in my family we don't touch pregnancy.
In your family you don't abort?
Yes.
You don't touch pregnancy?
Yes.
You don't abort?
Yes.
But in your family you don't abort. But in your family you sleep with your sister's husbands?
No, it was my sister's intention that made it happen.
But after your sister's intention, you claim said the man has been having sex with you.
At that point, I begin to fall in love with the man.
You began to fall in love with the man. No, don't cry. You can wipe your tears. Don't cry. You are falling in love with your sister's husband.
Yes. He kept coming to me to see me. So at that point, it happened. I started to fall in love with him. So he continued to have sex with me several times.
But he doesn't force you. You just give in.
Yes.
You just give in.
Yes.
Because you are falling in love with him.
Yes.
Let me ask you a question. Put yourself in your sister's shoes. The person who done sister Cecilia. Now sister Edane wo. Cecilia sister onyim edima ukunu. How would you feel? Maybe some question. you feel bad.
Yes.
Ebe ya.
Ebe me ya.
What do your sister? They are all so this a despite the mistake why mistake to have even opened her mouth to say this nasty thing, why mistake? But what do you say? Oh sister, not to say or no to me say maniku, but who are benny mana? Unim the obefele. Obana onye mono. Omuna.
Ebusia eyawe ho sem ye pa message also wo de shedding ana yako be man ebusia for no drop a comment or a comment section send the be house faji news na for ready mo subscribe please let me adama so say na ye upload ya so na unsa ebeti maka media ne CK makra